Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have an Etsy shop, S&C Budget Creations, and also an Instagram with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I will link them down below if you're interested. Cassie is also having a giveaway collaboration freebie with a couple of other ladies. I will link her channel so that way you can get it if you're interested. And today I wanted to stuff my Coffee Wednesday savings challenges. Okay, now I've gotten bitten by the savings challenge bug. It has actually been very, very exciting to see some small wins and to see numbers adding up, the money adding up, the change that it's made in my feelings about money. Just because I was so discouraged not that long ago, I was feeling like, oh my God, I can't save. And I got a little bit overwhelmed and a little bit saddened by it. But then along came a buddy of mine. I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. Cassie said to just do it, to save something. And so that's what I'm doing. That's where I'm at right now. And this has just been a fun way, a very fun way for me to save some money. So I have 20 bucks to work with. And I believe in my last video, my mini Mondays, I will link that video down below. It was the last one I recorded. It was exciting, I think, because, excuse me, it was exciting, I think, because I was a little bit nervous about making a commitment. But I know that things change, and if I have to readjust this budget and I have to take a week off or I can't do it, whatever, I'm giving myself that grace. But we need to get $20 from somewhere because I can't just put that into one envelope. I need this to be a little bit more fun. So what I will do is I will set this binder off to the side and I will grab my Mini Mondays binder and let's get some change out of here. I still haven't gone to get change. Clearly, I'm using myself as my own bank to try to get some money going here. So I don't think we have 20 in here, so we need to, okay, we need to break that one down a little bit. This one has the money. All right, so we have 20. No, we don't have 20 in my hand. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, $31. So let's go ahead and take $20. This one's ripped. I just want to leave that one in here. 5, 10, 15, 20, and then we'll put 20 in here. And then we can try to get ones from the other savings challenges. See what we can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Oh, knock it down. And let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $3 there. So, okay, we don't have quite enough to change out a $20 bill. So I want to continue. Let me just take a look and see if I have any change in one of my other binders. Be right back. Okay, let me just take a look at my Christmas binder. 7, not quite enough here. All right, so my money envelope does have $10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, it has $11. So let's go ahead and take this 10, put this 10 here. Now it has 11. I'm going to have to figure out how to get these $2 bills back into my savings though. 25 days. Not enough ones. All right, so I think that is where we're at right now. We have a $2 bill in there, a $2 bill in there. What was in this one? We already took the ones out of there. Okay. Okay. This is taking a little bit longer than I anticipated. Let's see if we can switch out some of these $2 bills. 1, 2. Yes, we can. Just because I want to try to make it where I'm saving $1. Okay. Oh, you know what? I have a savings challenge back here that's completed. I did not think that through. Okay, so there goes oh, the opportunity to get a couple more bucks. All right, so let's do this. Grab these $2 bills. All right, so we have 1, 2, 1, 2, and I think that's good. I can't believe I forgot about that. All right. Hopefully, I was able to speed through that without too much drama. Oh, I'm posting that. Let's count this money. See what we have. Should be $20. Oh, that was just a lot of drama. Okay. So now we have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 20 bucks. And I guess we're going to go ahead and just play with the $2 bills. I was thinking to switch them out once we get to a certain number and all that, but let's just do this. All right. This is not the binder I'm working with. We need this one because it's Coffee Wednesday, girl. Okay. All right. So for Coffee Wednesday, we have some savings challenges we're working on. And once again, I am working with four savings challenges. I was going to do wild cards, and I think I'm going to grab them. Okay, so I have these. These are Minecraft Uno cards, and so I have 1, 2, 3, and then I grabbed wild cards for my last envelope. Because I'm going to try to push myself and maybe do, save a little bit more than I normally would. But we'll see. We'll see. We shall see. We shall see. Okay. Oh, I don't even have the savings challenge in there that I wanted to use for this. Because these are all ones. Okay. So this is how we're going to work this, guys. So we have 1, 2, 3, and then the fourth one will be a wild card. And the wild card, we're going to multiply. So this says 1, but it should be 2. Does that make sense? We're going to double it. Okay, that's what we'll do. We'll double it. And hopefully this works out. All right, mixing these up just a little bit so we can make sure all the wild cards aren't together, all the ones aren't together. All right. Who is ready to save? Me. Okay. All right, so first up, wild card. Okay, so this one, since it's a wild card, we're going to go ahead and double it. So we have 2 in there. I hope I don't get a lot of those because this is going to go, okay. 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Wild card. Okay, should we just put a $2 bill in there? I was thinking maybe we should save those like as a spicy. We're going to save it as a spicy because we are rebels. Oh, another wild card. Okay, $2, $2, $2. Okay, 1, 2. Okay. Oh, gosh. I was afraid they were going to be together. Wild cards. So we have 2 more going into there. Come on. 2. Okay. All right. So now we have spicy, and hopefully this spicy is not a wild card because that means I have to put them both in there. And if I get one spicy and then I don't have enough to double it, I'll have to do an IOU. I don't want an IOU. Okay. It's wild. Okay, well, boom. Okay. All right, so we've gone ahead and taken care of that part. Let's actually go ahead, and this one was 4. We're going to have to just do it backwards on this side. 3, 2. All right, so number 1 got $1, $2, $3. Oh, you only got $3, girl. So these savings challenges are from the shop SNC Budget Creations, and actually it's been really cool to pull these out and use them because Cassie made them actually a while ago now. So I'm going to color in 3 squares because these are each $1. Alright, and you can barely see this color. I don't even know if you can see it on screen at all. Let's see. I like this soft green. I guess we're going with this harsh blue. Yep, we are. Okay, so that's okay. because I want you to be able to see my progress. I'm so proud of me. Okay, so this first one, $3. Exciting. All right. Good job, good job. All right, and then we'll move on to the next savings challenge. Number 2. This one's $1 as well. Actually, already says $1, but we have $1, $2, $3, $4. And once these are completed, they will have $20 each, except with the exception of my one that I'm using as a wild card. But the blank ones, you can make them any amount. If you wanted to save $100 every square, you can do that. $1,000, you can just make it whatever you want, 2, 3, 5, whatever. So I just figured since my income is not all that much right now, I'm going to go ahead and play it safe. All right, so the third one, Miss Number 3 only got $1, but it's $1 more than I would have stuffed otherwise. So progress nonetheless. All right, there's that one. And then wild card. So we have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we need to color in 6 squares. So exciting, so exciting. Let's color in 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, perfect. $12 in that savings challenge in one cash stuffing video. I'm so proud of me right now. And I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. But that's it for now, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.